don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same.
Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bathroom makeover, my minimalistic tiny bathroom makeover, and I'm just trying here on the table. There are a lot of stuff staring at me right now and I have to get them organized. So I bought some organizers from Amazon, Walmart, Bed and Beyond. I'm going to be using all of this to transform this little space into a doable bathroom, as I can put it. So, and I'm going to walk you through the journey. So not to waste too much of your time, I'm just going to show you the items that I got from Amazon. No, I think I might show you why the video plays. I don't want this video to be too long, 10-minute maximum, hopefully. Please don't forget to comment your favorite part of the little tiny transformation. I won't really say transformation per se, of what you love about the bathroom. I might just be playing some aesthetic music and you just enjoy the aesthetic part of the bathroom transformation. And by the way, do you love my hair? Does it look good? I tried, right? Shaved all by myself, colored all by myself, saving me some dollars.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. So you get it, you regret.
Okay guys, this is how the organizers look. The organizer. So these are my mini perfumes, my mini designer perfumes. We have Gucci, we have J'adore. Can this camera focus? We're going to be starting off with this storage unit right here. We got this, we just walked into the store. I think we got it at Walmart. So this is an over toilet, sorry, shit. This is an over toilet storage. So it comes with 2 drawers, as you can see. This acts like a medicine cabinet. So in here we store all of our medicine in here. And on here I'm just going to add some few pieces. And of course we're going to start off by wiping that off. First off, we're going to clean everything. And it's very easy to clean. Like I said, family, I didn't want to waste too much time, so I already organized this. I got this basket from Target, both of them, I think for like $10. I already organized. This one is for toilet papers, tissue paper. I'm going to just put it right here for tissue paper. And this one right here holds a facial towel. I always make sure to have lots of them. Like you can see, we have, I just bought this from Target. It contains 4 pieces. We still have some white ones. And we have some gray color going. As you can guess, our theme is gray and white with some touch of gold. We have some gray stuffs going on here. We're going to be decorating, changing the colors almost every month or after 2 months. So this is it. I'm just going to put this up here. Just going to put this up here and put this right here. I think, I suppose. I already showed you guys this. I got this from I think TJ Maxx. I'll try my best to see how I can link all of them, and let's see how it goes here. I'm just going to put it right here. Was it here before or was it down there? I can't quite remember, guys. Let's see. I think it was right here. I don't know why this thing is shaking. Okay, so I'm just going to put it right there. You see that it's already looking so beautiful. And I'm going to now put in the towels now for a while. And I got this like in set. I got the, like I said, we're working with gray and white. I got the gray and the white all from Target. So I'm just going to put this right here. Yeah, guys, this diffuser is giving. To think it was so affordable, I can't remember the price, but it's, you know, this is how hopefully it works. You see that? That aroma is so good. So I'm just going to drop this right here. I'm just going to drop the diffuser, and you can time it. You can time the diffuser. I always put it like to spray after like 16 minutes. It pumps out this. Oh, it smells amazing. One thing that I love is we spend so much time in the bathroom. Maybe you want to use the toilet, you're with your mobile phone. This is why I read my emails, and I want it to be really good, because most of the time, this 2024, I'm trying to do a lot of bath, like bath soak up, and I'm going to be sharing that on this channel. I think the video should be up all, because I'm so consistent. I'm so proud of myself. I shoot videos almost on a daily basis, and I'm like, okay, good. Content is just pouring, like it's just coming. And the good thing is, once it comes, make use of it, and you know, you just start creating those content. So this is how this looks for now. I bought this 5-tier stand from Bed and Beyond, and this is how it looks. It looks so beautiful and simple, so I deem it wise to just pair it there and see how it goes. So let's start off by decorating that section. The first thing, I got this beautiful basket. Yeah, this beautiful basket from Target. Sorry, I bought this basket from Target, and this basket is for hubby to put all his shaving stuffs in there. And I got this beautiful diffuser too, very affordable.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep.
I got these at Office Depot. I just love to put my facial products in there. I'm going to put my Revitalift night cream right here. Forgive my achy hands. And also my Revitalift L'Oreal. All my facial cream are in there.
All the games that you play, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you.
Okay, and I got these organizers too from I got a lot of stuff I can't even remember, from Walmart, and it just, not Walmart, Amazon, and it just came in. So this is to put cotton bulb in here, and it comes with labels, so we can just label them together. So this is how it comes. You see that? I just have to put them around, and it comes with some extra shoot in case I want to write something extra, and I just keep it. So we have flush picks, cotton balls, and so on. Yeah, so I'll be back to show you how exactly it is.
Change. So you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby.
Be tidy boy, clean you can. I just like to go in with this tablet to just drop it in there. Yeah.
Take you back. Fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for
This smells
weeks.
amazing.
Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me.
So I'm just going to fill it now. It's very easy. Take this. As it in there, and after some days you can always replace it. This is so good. I've been using this since when I was in South Africa, and it's been good and it smells heavenly. I'm going to spray this here. We always spray this before we poop, so you can just spray 1 or 2 drops before you poop, and it leaves the toilet smelling really good. Okay guys, I think we'll be using this yellow theme for a while now. I want to get rid of it and put in the new one. So I always make sure, or moving on, I'll make sure that we have this replaced almost every month. So we're going to, I'm used to this. This is beautiful. We're going to put this in. Let's see how it is, so that it matches with the other theme of the bathroom. So this is how it looks, and I think it looks amazing. I got this basket. Let's rant about this. I got this basket, this tray, bathtub tray, on Bed and Beyond, and it's cute. It's so beautiful. But for today, we're not going to be using the bath, so okay, extras under here. Okay, let's see. So guys, I'm about to mop the floor, and I'm using this Fabuloso with hot water, really hot water. You want to make sure it is so hot, because I already vacuumed the carpeting down here. I'm going to show you guys. You want to make sure it is so hot so you can kill the germs that tend to linger on the toilet floors.
So deep, all the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change.
can transform your tiny bathroom into anything that you want. And there is still room, you know, like 4 people can still fit in here. You see that? That's me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much. I do appreciate. Until my next one, until the next project, we're going to be going to the bedroom to revamp and to transform the little space into a haven. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.